Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn Chapter 2, Quadratic Functions. And the subchapter is 2.2, Types of Roots of Quadratic Equations. Okay, we have learned that the roots of quadratic equation can be found by using formula or factorization, and also we can find the roots by using the completing the square method. Sometimes we get two roots, one root, and in some cases there is no root for the quadratic equation. The number of roots is the type of roots. Today we're going to learn how to determine the type of root without having to do the factorization using formula or using the completing the square method. Here we're going to use the discriminant. Which one is the discriminant? Now in the formula itself, we can find the discriminant. It is the b squared minus 4ac. To identify which one is the a, b, and c, we must arrange the equation in general form. A is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant. Now in general, when we calculate the value of b squared minus 4ac and we get the value is greater than 0, it indicates that we are going to have two different real roots. And if the value of the discriminant is equals to 0, it shows that there will be two equal real roots. It means that is one real root because two equal number or two equal value. Now if we get the discriminant is less than 0, it means that there will be no real roots. Okay, let's determine the types of roots for the following quadratic equation. Number 1, you are given x squared minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. First we identify the a, b, and c. So a, the coefficient of x squared is 1, b is the negative 4, and c is positive 1. And then we substitute the values into the discriminant and we calculate, we get the value of 12. Therefore, 12 is greater than 0, so there are two different roots. Now bear in mind, you must not get confused because in this session, we want to determine how many roots. And we don't know what are the roots unless we do the factorization or using formula or using completing the square. So in this case, we don't do that because we just want to know how many roots there are in this quadratic equation. Now let's see example number 2. We are given with 3x squared minus 7x plus 5 equals to 0. So identify the a, b, and c. Now remember, just to remind you, we must take the value of a, b, and c together with the sign in front of the coefficient. So this is minus 7, so you must take with the negative 7. With the minus 7, we put it as b. Okay, then we substitute into the b squared minus 4ac. You calculate properly, you get negative 11. And negative 11 is less than 0, so there are no real roots. And let's see example number 3. We have x squared equals to 8 multiply x minus 2. Now here, given the equation is not in general form, so the first thing we need to do is to expand the equation and then arrange them in general form. Then we identify the value of a, b, and c. Then we substitute into the discriminant. Now in this case, we get the discriminant is equals to 0. So there are two equal real roots. In other words, there is one real root. Thank you for watching. Hope you benefit something from this video. See you later. Bye.